Here's the MMI K36, and I've put the mechanism on the top here, working the bell rope up to the bell, and just a simple piece of wire. I just made a right angle linkage in here, which is on top of the boiler, and to get that to work underneath I put another motor in. You can see the motor there, it's working the bell. Now that just clears the that's just going to clear the motor. I'm going to have about 1/16 of an inch clearance there. I was going to try and put a second motor in there for the fireman animation, but I don't think that's going to work out. Up the front I've got the Tsunami in there. Just got to tidy the wiring up there yet. I've just got the speakers in the front here, and I've used a 32mm speaker inside there. I've got the wires coming to the front there for the number boards, and the other parts is I've done the headlight. I've used a 1K resistor for that, and for the marker lights I've just used a 3K resistor there. The number boards will also come in. I'll put another piece of circuit board in there just to make it tidy, holding everything in the back there. So that's the that'll be the lights when they get done. I just thought I'd show you that bell ringing in any case, so you can see that bell still ringing there. Whoop, I turn the motor up a bit. Alright, we turn it down, we get it down. I'll adjust this speed using, I've got a TCS FL4 decoder, and I'll put that in, and that'll work the bell. And I'm going to link that function 1 with function 1 on the Tsunami, so that when I press F1 the bell will ring and it'll sound, and I'll set the sound to coincide with the ring rate of the bell, so that the donger actually gets onto to make the sound as the bell goes clang. Anyhow, I thought I'd just show you that. Pretty happy with being able to get that speaker and the Tsunami in the front there, and I'll do the fireman. I've cut a hole in the back here. Just turning this thing. I've cut a hole in the back there so that I'll put a surface mount LED in there, and I'll have that timed like I did on the C19, that when the fireman actually turns around to shovel the coal in, that the doors, it'll appear that the doors are opening and you'll see the flame inside. And I've got firebox flicker to put underneath on the main part. Just while I've got the camera rolling, I'll just show you the other piece here, which I've done the pickups. I've run the wires along the other side, and you can see I've used the pickups down the side of it there, and I've just hid that underneath there. The black wire there still going back onto the bar, and I've got the red wire there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cabin light just coming straight off track power with a resistor, just save a function, so the cab light will be on all the time. Nice Loco, got the extra pickups on there now, so all's coming along well. Got to get this engineer in here and try and get a mechanism coming off this rear driver axle to see if I can have a friction clutch on there. Never done anything like that, so we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, this is just the progress. It sort of shows you where I'm up to and how things are going. Cheers.